Welcome class, today we're talking about the 5 stages of losing your favorite feature. Stage 1, denial. Why would they take this from me? No, they wouldn't remove that feature. This is the best feature. This has to be a mistake, right? Stage 2, anger. Why would they phase something out I pay for? No, why would they remove that? I depend on that feature for everything. Literally everything I do depends on that feature. Stage 3, bargaining. Maybe if I ask nicely, they can figure something out. Okay. Maybe if we send in support tickets and tweet them, then we can make this happen. They will negotiate with us. But bargaining usually doesn't work, does it? What's the point? They're never gonna bring this back. I mean, my workflow's finished and this product is just never going to be the same. And finally, the coup de grace. Yeah, I guess this is just how it is now, and I can find a workaround. Maybe this feature isn't so bad. Besides, feature loss could happen in the wake of Progress's acquisition of Citrix ShareFile, right? So I'll figure it out. And there you have it, the 5 stages of losing your favorite feature. So remember, stay strong, stay vigilant, and keep an eye on your favorite features during a company transition.